This project is proudly presented by Rehi Mission Network and Jesus, the Way Ministries. Our mission is to empower Christian youth in Pakistan with faith and modern technology, especially artificial intelligence, digital skills, and emerging tech, to prepare them for a brighter future. Through this initiative, we will train 10,000 youth across 10 cities, combining faith, leadership, and practical technology education. Step 1. City launch ceremony in each city. We will host a launch ceremony. Churches, youth leaders, and local communities will attend. The vision of faith and technology will be presented. Students will be invited to register for the program. These events create awareness, excitement, and local engagement for our project. City will appoint 10 youth ambassadors. Their responsibilities include representing the program in their local churches, mobilizing youth to join the training students during the program, organizing workshops and follow-up sessions. These ambassadors become the local leadership network, ensuring the program's success. Step 3. Training 1,000 youths in each city. Each city will register 1,000 students. Training will include artificial intelligence tools and software, digital content creation, and online business skills. Technology education, faith-based leadership, and character development. This ensures youth are equipped with both technical skills and spiritual growth. Step 4. Hybrid learning model. Students will learn through two complementary methods: physical workshops held in churches or community halls, online masterclasses accessible from home for maximum reach. This hybrid approach allows more youth to participate efficiently and ensures continuous learning. Step 5. Building a national network. As the program expands across 10 cities, it will create a national network of empowered Christian youth. 10,000 trained students, 100 youth ambassadors, multiple churches and ministries actively engaged. This network will continue to spread faith, leadership, and technology skills across communities. Step 6. Invitation to partners. We invite churches, ministries, and donors worldwide to partner with us. Your support will help us raise a generation of youth who are strong in faith, technology, and leadership, transforming communities across Pakistan. Closing, this is more than a training program. It is a movement of faith and technology. Together, we can equip Christian youth to rise, innovate, and lead with faith and skill.